So what is up guys? हम बहुत दिनों बाद मिल रहे हैं, पता है मुझे, पर सीन क्या है कि संडे राइड्स को हमेशा वही कार रिपीट होती है, तो फिर व्लॉगिंग करने का थोड़ा सा इंटरेस्ट भी गर्म हो जाता है. बट आज वी आर गोना फेस सम गुड कार and it's a brilliant car, I can assure you that. So let's go, let's see. हमें भुवन एक स्पॉट पे मिलने वाला है. शाउट आउट टू हिज पेज, भुवन चौधरी बीच चाओ, go check it out. एंड उसका इंस्टाग्राम पे भी पेज है एंड दैट इज सिमिलर, बीच आओ. तो अभी तो वी हैव टू लीव. ही इज गोना मीट अस इन अ फ्यू. सो ड्राइव करते करते तो वी कैन ब्लॉग. सो लेट्स मीट आफ्टर सम टाइम. सो गाइज वी आर हियर एट द प्लेस वेयर वी वर सपोज्ड टू मीट एंड बीच आओ इज हियर. How are you, bro?
I'm good, man.
It's a humongous vehicle, bro.
It's massive.
It's massive. Oh my God! It's kilometers to just reach the road.
It's one of those vehicles, one of the only vehicles where I think that what you see in photos and what you experience in real life is like completely
It's completely different, bro.
In real life, it doesn't feel like it's going to be so big, but when you actually sit in the car, it gives you that proper, American big truck feel.
Oh yeah, I really can feel that, bro.
Yeah, I mean, with this position where I'm sitting right now, everything else around you feels like it's small.
Yeah, definitely, bro. Like we can see the top of the cars, man. I can see top of my car from
Like
here.
Creta वगैरह looks like a hatchback when you're sitting in it.
Actually, it is amazing. So let's see. It is good as it looks, or it is really good as we couldn't even expect it to be.
Also, one good part about being a big car is that it gives you insanely good visibility.
Exactly, bro.
Whatever is there around you.
But do you feel any nervousness around this car?
Nervousness? Why would I be nervous? Everybody else should be nervous.
Point to be noted. So, being an off-roader, it also has some mood lights to get you in the vibe, but it's really good. So बाकी का vlog we will complete afterwards, but इतने दिनों बाद मिले, let's just catch up
If
first.
you want to put the lights on, you can put the lights on as well. I don't have any idea how to put the lights on.
I guess it is supposed to be like this, and
This is the first time I'm driving it at night.
oh,
No, that's not it.
that's not it, right? Okay. Finally, we have figured out how the light works. It is touch sensitive. We have completely forgot. We need to see more reviews also.
Yeah, I mean, for all the Jaguars and the Land Rover now, they have these touch sensitive lights.
But I do. Oh my.
Did you know or did you see this? You can flip this and you can get a digital rear view mirror.
Oh, that's sick, bro. That's really sick. That is actually more.
I think you'll be able to show it in when it's daylight a little bit better.
But it's
But you
actually
can
clearer now.
Yeah.
It does give a good practicality, because normal mirrors, when you look into the mirrors, you actually can't see anything.
So there's too much of glaring, especially at night time. In this, you have less glaring. It's much more wider angle, and you have a button over here where you can reduce the brightness. If it's too bright, you can increase or decrease the brightness of the mirror.
Let's just see that once again.
See.
Oh, that's
And
sick.
you also have another. If you click it again, then you get an option where you can tilt it up or down. So if you're not able to see the if you're not able to see what's behind you properly, you can then switch this button up or down, and you can tilt the angle of the camera to get a proper view behind it.
So many things to be amazed of.
That's the best thing I like about these cars. There's so many toys to play around with. You get bored of one thing, there's something else, and then cars, brands like Land Rover, Mercedes, all these guys offer so many optional extras कि अगर उससे normal गाड़ी से बोर हो गया, so you have 20,000 other things you can spec your car up with.
And that also you don't have to go for a mechanic, finding a mechanic कि हाँ बाबा ये add कर दे वो add कर दे aftermarket. You already get in
Yeah, but like for 5 times the price, but you still get it.
That is the price you pay for your luxuries.
True.
Punchy. चलो अभी स्पॉट पे तो आ चुके हैं हम. यहाँ पे पूरा घना जंगल है. ऐसा लग रहा है कि हॉरर व्लॉगिंग कर रहे हैं. हॉरर व्लॉग्स. तो यहाँ पे बहुत लोगों की हत्या हो चुकी है और उनके ऊपर हम अपर मार रहे हैं. जो मरे उन पे और मार रहे हैं. हाँ भाई यही देखो यही पे उन लोगों को लाया गया था. उनकी गाड़ियों के बॉडी किट से ही पे बनाए गए हैं. कॉन्टेसा एंड एवरीथिंग.
है क्या?
सो हियर वी आर गाइस. इसका कूलिंग फंक्शन चालू हो जाएगा है, इसलिए इट इज़ सो वोकल. आई लव दिस ट्रीटमेंट टू. हाय, आई मेड अ न्यू फ्रेंड ओवर हियर. नो रुको, पहला व्लॉग. डिफेंडर आ चुकी है एंड इट लुक्स सो मैसिव. तो डिफेंडर इज हियर. इट लुक्स सो मैसिव. अभी रात का टाइम है इसलिए यू कांट सी इट, बट और भी थिंग्स वी कैन सी आ द मारुति जिप्सी. लाइटिंग कंडीशन का ही इशू है इतना, बट मारुति जिप्सी इज हियर एंड वन ऑफ द बेस्ट कॉन्टेसास इन द country. As I feel though it's one of the best Contessa in the country because flames wala design and the wheels though, these are the best things. And iske sath, oh my god, can't get over this one, but we do have a JDM. I believe it's a, let me just check. It's a JDM. It's a Civic. Yeah, right. It's a Civic. Okay. तो सिविक है, डिफेंडर है एंड द कंटेसा, द ओरिजिनल ईस्ट 1968 स्टंट प्राइम. हॉट व्हील्स, रियली हॉट व्हील्स नाम है. और डिफेंडर का यू कैन सी यार, लाइट्स आर सो अमेजिंग. इट्स रियली प्लीजिंग टू द आईज. These lights look amazing, man. It's really good.
I like the tail lights, I like the headlights also.
Headlights also, they are bonkers, but taillights also, it's very different vibe with these two.
Different design.
It's a completely different design. Plus, Land Rover badging, so that you don't get distracted. It's a Range Rover or it's a Land Rover?
It's a Land Rover.
It's a proper Land Rover. Plus, this thing is for, I guess, keep something, I believe, because I was watching some videos.
I know that this thing is customizable. You can get different materials for this. You can get like proper metal wala also.
Oh, amazing. Look at the grills. Okay, the DRL game. Okay. This is
It's
beautiful.
aggressive, no?
It is aggressive. Not just the DRL, but whole car looks good.
Then generally, there are lots of these SUVs. Like most of the SUVs, you find that, you know, generally you are in a nice space, open area, you can just jump onto it and sit and chill, you know.
Yeah.
Photos खींचने के करते
Yeah,
हैं.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
इसमें possible नहीं है. At least मैं not possible.
Not possible
I
at
have
all.
to take like a run up and then jump on it. But not going to do.
But I guess we can climb on these tires, but I really don't want to climb on that because it's so beautiful. That also is so well thought out. It's good, yeah. It's a
I don't think any other SUV is this tall also.
in India. I don't think so.
Maybe like a proper big SUV will be this tall, like a Land Cruiser or something like that. But otherwise, like for a mid-size kind of an SUV, इतनी बड़ी तो कोई
Nah,
नहीं.
nah.
NV is this tall. This is like I am 5'8", so this must be like 6'3", 6'4".
It is actually as tall as G-Wagon. Because G-Wagon को भी
G-Wagon is more boxy though. इतनी लंबी नहीं है ना G-Wagon.
इतना, हाँ.
Smaller, shorter.
I'm just talking about the height.
The
though.
height, yeah.
Yeah, but it's really heighted. But to be very honest, I'm a heighted guy, so I would be feeling very comfortable in this car. Because मेरे को भी ऐसे कोई गाड़ी लिया ना, So I am also facing these issues about height, legs, knee, battery वगैरह. And now this is so comfortable. I was sitting in a comfortable space. Let's see पीछे कितना space है. It's quite good. हाँ पीछे वाला बैठ सकता है आराम से. It's spacious as fuck. Plus you get charging points here. You get AC controls here. Automatic and stuff, and the mood lights too, blue colored mood lights. These are 21s, I guess, right?
Could be. Not sure.
I would think it's a 20.
They're massive for sure. So it is really. 255 60 20.
20? Feels like 24s or something like that. So, this humongous vehicle is leaving right now. Bye bye to Vicha. Or ride quality was really good here. चलो, let's leave now. I have to travel up to there because मेरा गाड़ी वहीं पे खड़ा है. That was an experience. Okay, I'll just turn it on. Okay, that was an experience. That was really good. The engine is not that performance oriented, but it is off-roading oriented. So I guess I will give that a point. But अभी just यहाँ पे पहुँचे हैं. तो एक काम करते हैं. I'll just drive up to my home and complete my vlog over there. So let's meet you in about 10 minutes. But आपके लिए तो matter of seconds. Yeah. So we are at the spot right now. Yeah, it's right beside the highway, so it's really loudy with the car noises. But देखेंगे अभी GTS will be here anytime soon. So let's see. करेंगे. Shoot is in हिंजेवाड़ी. वहाँ पे जाके we have to do some reels and stuff. Photo shoots also we are planning. Let's see how it goes. It is a nice spot though, trees and stuff. I love this one. The circle is beautifully done with the green stuff. I love the green stuff. I'm not talking about the wrong things. The green stuff, I mean trees and stuff. Green stuff matlab trees, leaves, flowers. Not the thing you are thinking about. But just look at it now. At morning it's really good. I should come here at the morning itself because I'm a morning person. So hardly any second Maserati GTS will be here. Okay, the revs. Got the exposure issues, man, but it is looking so beautiful, man. Morning and black color, what is shining really good. अभी ऐसे यूटर्न हाँ getting out of the Maserati GTS is a bit of a task because this car rides really low and the location has many speed breakers, so yeah, you can understand the pain in the ass. But it is really worth it because it's looking really beautiful at this angle and this sunlight also. Man, this is beautiful. The place is beautiful. This is beautiful. So let's start making reels and stuff. We have some plans for reels, but you know how planned reels go. So let's see how it goes. And all is all packed up. Now we are heading to the spot where we left our bike, and then Maserati will head at his home. But the crazy reactions you saw in the video was something good. Yeah. Like, this is the perks of having this car, but most of the perks are regarding to the performance and the noise, because V8 noise, oh my god, you can hear that. It's already in the sports mode, but it's really comfortable, not the stiffened suspension that really freaks you out. Okay. Okay, that aggressive downshift was really something. It's really something, man, because the exhaust pipes that are going just below us are revving beautifully, and you can see the torque rush on my face also. Okay. You know it, you saw it, you heard it, and the insulation is so good that this is a very loud car, but you can't hear nothing, or it's not that boomy inside. It's really good. And being a sports car, it's really comfortable. I can sit over here. It's bucket seats, but it's really comfortable. Still leaving the Maserati. Bit of a task, but let's see. The seat is moving forward. It's okay. Chalo, meet you next time. Chalo, bye. Really cool guys, man. Really cool guys. Next time, na, we have to do shoots and stuff, but let's see. Many of the things we have to take under consideration. Public reactions and the Maserati leaving. that V8 Symphony, man, really good, really good. I'll just wear the mask first because it's really mandatory. So let's see how it goes. And colleges are gonna reopen. Hope I also get to go to college. Let's see. तब तक के लिए peace out. Bye.